Hello student, this is the fourth video. Click on chemical analysis. Let's look at this question over here. You are provided with a mixture of two unknown salts, one of which contains lead ions, but whether is it lead carbonate, lead sulfate, lead nitrate, we don't know. The mixture was added with distilled water, diluted, and the residue were labeled as filtrate Xn Y, and then you can have it shown over here. We can see some clues over here already. Let's do the same thing first. We always look for familiar actions. We have add sodium hydroxide, dropwise in excess, still blue PPT, insoluble. So this action is very familiar. We look at the table. Add sodium hydroxide followed by blue PPT. And there you have it. The blue PPT must be copper hydroxide. So copper hydroxide. Now another familiar thing that you can see is that the solution or the mixture over here were further added with aluminum powder and warm, and you see a colorless pungent gas which turned moist red litmus paper blue. Now this is a telltale sign of ammonia gas. So this gas must be ammonia gas. Now if you look at this combined action carefully, not only that you have added in sodium hydroxide to the filtrate, you further add aluminum powder and warm. You look at this carefully, the whole action over here is addition of sodium hydroxide, aluminum powder and warm. It is another action if you look at it carefully. Can you see this? Add sodium hydroxide, aluminum foil, in this case it can be powder and warm, and if ammonia gas is produced. What does this show? That the solution contains? Yes, it means that the solution contains nitrates. In other words, this sign over here, tracing back to this X, that means this filtrate not only contains copper, because without copper ions you won't get copper hydroxide. It also means it contains nitrates. So put them together, this filtrate X must be copper nitrate formula. And this mixture, when you add distilled water, it will give you copper nitrate and residue. And the residue Y simply means is that the other component is not soluble. So copper nitrate is soluble, which explains for one of the unknown salts. Then the other salt must have contained lead, but lead one, so it will be lead carbonate nitrates. Obviously this lead is not soluble in water, isn't it? It cannot be lead nitrate. Why? Because lead nitrate is soluble. What clue can we get over here? Does this mean that carbon dioxide was produced? And you can remember, what type of salt will produce carbon dioxide when you add an acid to it? Isn't it a carbonate or bicarbonate? So this residue Y should be lead carbonate, isn't it? Because only a carbonate will release carbon dioxide gas. And so we have it for this unusual chemical analysis question. Thank you.